Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make a typical Mexican dish based on the tortillas. Yes, I am talking about the crispy quesadilla full of cheese. Let's make my version of chicken quesadillas. First, marinate your chicken. Granulated garlic, onion powder, cumin, paprika, salt, pepper, juice of half a lemon, oil. Mix. If the marinade is too thick, add 1 more tablespoon of oil. 2 chicken breasts, 500 grams. Cover them with foil and flat them a bit. Add the chicken breasts in the marinade, mix well, and let the meat rest for at least 3 hours. Now we will make 2 versions of quesadilla sauce. Sour cream, mayo, salt, cumin, black pepper, granulated garlic, onion powder, paprika, pickle juice. Mix. Sour cream, mayo, cumin, salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, granulated garlic, chopped pickled jalapeno juice. Mix. Grate the cheese. I have Gouda and raclette. Yes, raclette is better on a burger, but will do the job, so don't worry. Best option is use original Mexican cheese. If you cannot find any, use just cheddar cheese. Dice 2 tomatoes. Dice onions. Dice the bell peppers the same size as onions. I got red, green and also yellow bell peppers to add more colors. Coarsely chop 1 clove of garlic. Oil for cooking. Fry the meat for 2-3 minutes on each side. Remove meat from the pan and let it rest for 5 minutes. Oil. Add the onions and peppers. Fry shortly to keep the vegetables crisp. Add chopped garlic. When the meat is rested, cut it into cubes. Butter. Place the tortilla on the melted butter. Add cheese on half of the tortilla. When the cheese starts to melt, add meat and vegetables. Top with fresh tomatoes. Fold the tortilla over and flip. Press the tortilla gently down and let it warm up from other side. Remove the quesadilla from the pan and cut it into the iconic triangles. Bon appetit! If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.